Hey guys, it's Becky. I'm back. I have gotten several requests from you guys to do a wavy hair tutorial. So that's what I want to talk to you about today, is how I get my crazy hair. I'll tell you, it starts before I get in the shower. So I take one of these combs and comb out my hair. And this is the only time that I comb my hair, is right before I get in the shower. And because my hair goes, I look like Rosanna Dana. I don't know if you remember her. She was a rock star comedian from Saturday Night Live, and she had this gigantic hair, and that is what my hair looks like after I brush it out. But that's the only time that my hair gets combed out, is right before I get in the shower. Every once in a while, I will use a hair mask and put it on, like tie my hair up in a bun and work out or do something like that, or just leave it in for the day. Because I use a lot of product in my hair, and it does tend to get a little bit dried out. So I will do a mask once a week, maybe every 10 days. I get pretty lazy about it, so I try to do it at least once a week though. I do like the Oribe mask. Thank you, one of you, for correcting me. In one of my previous videos, I called it Oribe, and I guess it's actually, you pronounce it Oribe. I've also seen it pronounced Oribe. So however you want to pronounce it, it's a really great product. It smells divine, and it works really great in your hair. So after I do a hair mask, I will try and comb it out with this as best I can, and then jump in the shower. I do double washes because I wash my hair every 3 to 4 days, kind of depending on what I'm doing. But 4 days is pretty much my max, especially since I do use a lot of product. But I try not to wash it more than every 3 days. So I wash it. Typically, I like to wash my hair the night before when I have some time to dry it, because I prefer my hair on day 2. But if I don't have enough time, the steps are the same. I do it the same day, and it just takes, I just go out with it a little bit damp, and it air dries, and that's fine too. I get the same outcome. It just takes a little bit longer. I washed my hair last night, and I do double cleanse. So I'll wash it once just to get all the product and dry shampoo and all that stuff out of my hair, and then I'll actually wash it to cleanse my scalp. And I have one of those hair claws. I forgot to bring it down here with me, but it's one of those hair claws that actually gets in. It has like the little claws. You can get them for like $7 on Amazon. I'll link one down below. But it really gets and massages your scalp and really gets your scalp clean. So I wash once with just regular, shampoo and get the product out. Then I wash again and use that little cloth thing, and then rinse that out and put conditioner in my hair. When I condition, I don't run my fingers through it. I don't comb it. I just scrunch. I just scrunch the conditioner into my hair, and then do the rest of my things, wash my face, do all the things. And then the last thing I do is rinse the conditioner out. So I let it sit in the shower for a good 3-5 minutes, like it usually says on the directions, to let it sit for a couple minutes. So that's how I do that. Get out of the shower, and then you'll see I have it's kind of like a micro cloth, but it's actually 100% polyester. I wrap my hair in one of those hair towels, and basically, like when I wash my hair at night, I'll put my hair up in that little turban and do my night, and then I'll do all my skincare for the evening. So it gives it some time to absorb and stuff. And then when I take the hair towel off, I just scrunch all of the moisture I can out of my hair with the hair towel. And then I use Kerastase hair oil. This is like my 4th bottle of this stuff. It is so good. I get it at Sephora. It's a little bit pricey, but it is worth the splurge. This is really good stuff. And I just massage this into my hair. And I have a lot of hair, but my hair is fine. And it is kind kind of long. So I use 2 to 3 pumps of this in my hair. I massage that through. And then I take the Wow Extra Large. This is the mousse I'm using right now. I've used the Kenra Extra Volume mousse. That works really well too. Right now, this one is my mousse of choice because this is what I have on hand. So I do several pumps of this. I put it with my head upside down still, and I scrunch. I don't run my fingers through my hair at all. I don't comb it at all after I get out of the shower. I just kind of scrunch this into my hair too. And this I actually get up towards the roots also. With the oil, with the Kerastase oil, I don't get near my roots at all. I keep that strictly on the ends. But this stuff goes all over, and I do get on the roots too because I have a lot of hair and I have big hair. So I love, love, love this. So I'll do that. Then I'll flip my head back up, and this is game changer. This is the BB Curl. It's called a reactivator. This stuff is magic. I don't know what my hair would do without this stuff. I put this all over, as you'll see in the video, and then, but this also goes on after, like, next day. In the morning, you'll see I use a little bit to reactivate my curls. This stuff is awesome, and you have to shake it up because it's got like a milky consistency, and I don't know what the magic potion is, but Bumble and Bumble, I love this. I really hope this please don't ever discontinue this because I love this so much. This is like my 4th or 5th bottle of this also. I love this. So I spray this all over my hair, and then I will take I just scrunch that into, no comb, nothing like that. And then I have a Dyson Airwrap, and I had to buy the pieces. I didn't bring them downstairs either. You can see them in the video. I had to buy these extra pieces, and I'll leave them also linked down below. I got them from Amazon. They were about $20, $25, and they're just attachments to the top of the Dyson, and I diffuse my hair. So it's the blow dryer attachment, and then the diffuser attachment goes on that. And then I just use the diffuser, as you can see, to get all the dampness out of my hair. I keep scrunching with my hands and with the diffuser, and do that until my hair is about 80% dry. And then I kind of let it go. And I do kind of flip it back and forth. This part here, I can just, flip it this way. I have this lovely little cowlick right here that makes my hair do really fun things. So never know what it's gonna feel like doing that day, but I do flip it back and forth, and you'll notice when I finished blow drying my hair last night, I had it going this way. And fast forward, so when I go to bed, I take all my hair and I put it in one of these hair ties. Or I can use like a silk slip hair tie, something that's not gonna leave creases or anything, and I put it in a very loose top knot on the top of my head. And I sleep in that. And I sleep in that every night. I don't sleep with my hair down anymore because it gets all, I have too many necklaces to deal with my hair too. So because I sleep in all my necklaces too. So my hair goes in a top knot on the top of my head. Wake up in the morning, and the first thing I do is take it down and just zhuzh it out, shake it out, run my fingers through it, give it time to kind of fall and let it figure out what it wants to do for the day. Then after I get my makeup on and I'm ready to go, I'll spray more of this onto just to reactivate, mostly on this part, because this is the part that likes to kind of straighten out and get a little bit weird on me. But I'll spray a little bit more of this on my hair and scrunch it up. And then Oribe, whatever you want to call it, this is amazing stuff too, and it smells so good. But I just spray this on the roots and kind of throughout my hair, and you can see it just lifts at the roots, and then I just kind of zhuzh it with my fingers. and flip my hair over to this side. So my cowlick can do what it wants to do and take my hair this way. I don't have to fight with it, making my hair all piecey over here. And we both win. So after I spray that Orib spray on my roots and stuff and kind of zhuzh my hair there, I'll take the Kenra 25, Kenra 25, yeah, can you see that? And kind of spray this throughout the ends of my hair and just keep scrunching, and then it kind of, yeah, then it goes, and then I just kind of spray this all over. Just give it a light mist. So after I do the Orib spray and spray that on my roots and stuff, I'll take this Kenra 25 and give it a light spray all over and kind of just scrunch it with my fingers and to give it a little bit a hold. I'll actually do this the night before also. Like when I have my hair like 80% dry, I'll take a little bit of this and just do a mist all over my hair too, just to keep the hold of the curl. My cowlick wins and I win. So this is the end product. Now, little disclaimer, it's pouring down rain here today. It hasn't rained here in like 2 months, 3 months. And it decided to pour down rain today when I had to run around downtown. So I got a little bit wet. It's a little humidified, things like that. But that's my hair routine. If I left anything out, I don't think I did. Oh, I did want to tell you, I learned a little hack. So this I use to kind of like zhuzh the roots and stuff. This I use to comb my hair out before I'm going to get in the shower. And I put them both in the dishwasher to clean them like once a month because they can get, producty and stuff like that. And I found the easiest, best way is to throw them on the top shelf of my dishwasher and they come out pristine clean. So I will leave links to everything that I mentioned in the description box below. Leave me a comment down below if you have wavy hair, if you've tried to wear wavy hair, what your experiences have been. If you have any other great ideas that I am not aware of, please leave them down in the comments below. Share your knowledge so we can all learn how to best make our hair do what we want it to do and just look as good as possible. So thank you so much again for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Your support really helps. And I love you so much. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.